Welcome to the Crazy Kitchen. In this video we will teach you how to make the best banana lassi in the world. We will need half a glass of controlled milk and half a glass of water and blender and banana.
So the procedure is we take the kefir and we pour it into the food processor, all of it. Then we take the water and mix it with the cultured milk. Then we take a banana, peel it nicely, carefully, throw it in, couple of pieces. Then you gotta carefully close this like this until it clicks, and put the speed on quite high but not too high, and switch it on. You need about 15 seconds to full ready. You may add some sugar to taste. Voila! Your banana lassi, the best in the world, is ready.
Pour it in another glass.
Do końca. Okay. Wow, thank you! Is this really the best banana lassi in the world? I don't know. I feel something. Oh yeah, so good. I feel so good. Think Oh,
Arseny.
yes, that was so good.
Arseny,
What?
You have.
Whoa! Oh my god! Show me a mirror! Oh wow! What happened to me? Now this is the power of our lassi.
intro, welcome to the Welcome to the Crazy Kitchen. In this video we will teach you how to make Я не могу. We will need half glass of water and half glass of bio kefir.